In today's digital age, artificial intelligence has become a powerful tool for individuals looking to generate income online. One of the most exciting AI tools available is ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can understand and generate human-like text. This means that it can assist you in a wide variety of tasks, from writing content to answering questions, and even creating detailed business strategies. In this lesson, we'll explore how you can tap into the power of ChatGPT to create opportunities and generate income online. ChatGPT can help you make money by acting as a virtual assistant, content creator, marketer, and even a customer service representative. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking for a way to earn money from home, ChatGPT has the potential to streamline tasks and increase productivity. Imagine being able to write blog posts, generate marketing copy, answer emails, and more, all with the help of this AI tool. The versatility of ChatGPT opens up countless possibilities for those seeking to build an online income stream. Let's start with understanding the key areas where ChatGPT can be most useful. Content creation is one of the primary ways to leverage ChatGPT. Whether it's writing articles, social media posts, or even entire ebooks, ChatGPT can generate ideas and create drafts that save you time. If you're someone who wants to enter freelance writing or become a content creator, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool in producing high-quality work quickly. You'll be able to focus on refining and editing the content rather than starting from scratch every time. Another area where ChatGPT excels is in customer communication. If you're offering services or products online, staying connected with your audience is crucial. ChatGPT can help you automate responses to frequently asked questions, engage with customers on social media, and even handle emails. With ChatGPT, you can provide timely, professional responses without feeling overwhelmed by the volume of inquiries that may come your way. This allows you to scale your business and serve more customers without additional manpower. ChatGPT is also incredibly useful in research and data analysis. If you're involved in any business that requires research, whether it's market analysis, competitive research, or understanding industry trends, ChatGPT can help. You can use it to gather information, summarize reports, and even generate ideas for future strategies. This can be particularly helpful for entrepreneurs who are looking to make data-driven decisions without spending countless hours sifting through information. So how do you start making money with ChatGPT? The first step is identifying a niche or a service that you can offer using ChatGPT. From there, you can develop a business model that leverages the capabilities of this AI. If you're interested in freelance work, you can find platforms that allow you to offer writing, research, and social media management services using ChatGPT. On the other hand, if you want to create a product, such as an ebook or online course, ChatGPT can assist you with content creation, marketing, and even customer interaction. Finally, it's important to note that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's most effective when used strategically. To truly succeed in making money online with ChatGPT, you must understand your target market, set clear goals, and continually refine your approach. In the upcoming lessons, we'll dive deeper into specific strategies and methods for leveraging ChatGPT in different aspects of your online business, setting you up for long-term success in the digital world.